Hello YouTube, back at it again. I'm gonna go for a little drive. To a friend of mine. Ooh, icy. Cold, guys. It's freezing. Oh my god. Oh, we got it up to temperature. I got the mic near my, clipped into my beard with the elastiekje. So we got here Well guys, don't know how the sound is. Gonna check it out later. We're at the Knopdorfsplein. My window's almost defrosted. Getting some heat in the car. Need to do a drive for about 30 minutes. 20. First we're gonna go for some LPG. Liquid petrol gas. Gauke-Boelenstraat. I gotta take it with me on this one. So no uno momento, por favor, keep it rolling. $0.87, you guys. It's not that bad. 87 euro cents for 1 liter. Almost there. Yes. Oké guys, gaan we afrekenen. Het staat een beetje apart natuurlijk. Met een microfoon in je baard. I will show you on the cam.
Hallo. Ja. Genau, ja. Ik kan pennen. Ja, doe.
Goeie, pomp in alsjeblieft.
25 euro.
Hier, dank.
Ik bedankt.
Jo, hoi. Oh, boys and girls, we're off. Once you start up in one time, die tandjes, he runs all every time he never lets me down. I'm gonna show you the did you see that? The mic in my beard. How about that? Okay guys, back at it again. Start her up on LPG. We got a full tank now. A little bit warm. Put on the lights. Well guys, back at it again. Started almost starting over. I think you got 10 minutes. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we'll go over to the next one. Oh no, he still keeps recording. Drive. Here we go, boys and girls. Heater on maximum, takes a while before she starts up. And have to flip the key 1 millimeter back before activating the aircon. So there's he's a little bit lazy in contact. No, you never know. Well, what nice is that recording. The loop got out in 10 minutes, and you would say that the loop would go on looping. Third gear. Off you go. It's a little bit dark. I'm gonna go through the motorway. Yes, yes. Wrong CD. Copyright CD. Sorry. Did that now though. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Got the external mic from the cheap cam in my beard. I wanted to check that out. Audio is quite tricky. I ordered myself a lav mic. Lavier, das speld. Microfoontje. Nice at temperature. Oh, I love driving Mercedes-Benz. Okay guys, we're out of Drachten. Temperature 90 degrees, 80 kilometers an hour. Naar de N31. And I always can do a voiceover. Yes, yes. I found out how you can do that. But you gotta have a good mic. Very, very quiet room. Well, I rather would go like to see everything take in one go. Zoals het Leeuwarden, guys, boys.